This weekend, we took a ride up to Bradenton, Florida for RealRail's 42nd Annual Model Railroad Expo. Hi, I'm Tom Gavitchak, and this is Tom's Trains and Things. For years, I kept my model railroad equipment in storage. In fact, up until about 2012, that's where it stayed. Since then, I've been working hard trying to learn everything I could about model railroading. And then I started Tom's Trains and Things, this channel right here. And I'm sharing that experience with you in every video that I do. Now, you can't come out of a train show empty-handed, so I had to spend some money there, so I'm going to show you what I got. And I got some pretty good deals this time. At this one table, the lady said that her neighbor was getting ready to throw out a bunch of stuff after her husband passed away. So I got some pretty good prices on these. Now, this says $16.98 and this one says $15.19. Both of them city classics. This is the Carnegie Street Manufacturing, and this one's the West End Market. These two, plus some signs. This is Railway Express, Bar Mills, Blair Line, Freight Station, and these are signs that go up on a roof of buildings. And all of that for 20 bucks. Then I went to RealRail had their own table, or tables. I mean, it took up a lot of space. I got 10 double pole, double throw switches, mini switches for 10 bucks. Okay. I got another City Classic, the diner, for 5 bucks. And here's the best deal of them all. Now, if you're old like me, you'll remember these DPM kits packaged like this for $5.99. It has the original packaging with the original price on it. This one here, this one is Carol's Corner Cafe, and this is the other Corner Cafe. $5.99 price tag on it. I got this for $4. Got this for $4. And here's another one. I guess the bag, they had to put it in a new bag. This is Kelly's Saloon. In fact, I have all three of these back here in Rock Creek, or in Smedleyville. Right there, the two corner ones, and Kelly's Saloon right behind one of them. So, $4 a piece. Now, there was a Bar Mill Scale Model Works kit there. It was a limited edition. It was one of 500 of them. I can't remember what the name of it is, but it would have went good in Smedleyville because it had a name similar to Smedley. They wanted $79 for it, and I didn't have that much cash left after I bought all this stuff. I wish I would have got that one because that was a really nice looking kit. I think I did pretty good with all this stuff here. They had a lot of HO equipment there, more than what I normally see at the train shows. So let's see what we saw there.
Alright, here we go again. 530.
That's still the wrong number. They keep calling the wrong number.
$3
Closer look. You don't get to see there it is. There it is.
20 bucks for that.
How long is it? I don't know, man. It'll tell us on the end there. 160, 116, 143 is O scale.
Oh, okay.
This is our O scale.
Got a lot of people.
Chairman. That's so expensive.
Unpainted. You gotta paint them yourself. And they're kind of skinny people too.
Well, it's
That's where all this.
stuff. Yeah.
No, there's some heavier people in there. That one. Well, here's where all the signals are. They keep calling the wrong numbers.
Yeah, I don't hear them most of the time. I just noticed if a caller.
Okay, here's some more of the stuff they got.
Switch a lot of them. There's a plug there. You just stuff the wire in here.
What do I want a dummy for? Unless I got an engine and the dummy fits with the engine nicely. I drove a nicely, baby.
This guy's all about N-scale. And I bought some HO stuff from him a couple years ago. He's got some HO over here. Not very much.
Don't forget my buddies back there, the Dobbler's here with a lot of nice electronic stuff.
Yeah.
Dobbler.
Yankee Dabbler. We go trains in our gardens. I don't have a garden.
Thank you much.
Thank you.
Oh, all kind of stuff over there on that side. In little totes, it's labeled stuff. Right along. outside the convention center at Bradenton, where the train show was. Nice and warm today. I think it's in the 80s. Nice and sunny.